To take apart this pistol, put in an empty magazine, pull the slide back until the slide lock will engage the release portion of the slide, such as that. Then put the pin that's into the slide. Punch the slide lock pin. First remove the magazine and then punch the slide lock pin out. Comes out. Remove two screws.
Late in the war, and it was like 45 already. It was a full there. Yeah, it was the one big thing. Send it out and do that. And they take it. I think that was deep water. They never found it. You know, but I haven't figured what happened with the side.
Punch the two taper pins that's in.
It did happen. Yeah, man, they had no aircraft left in.
It's out.
What are you gonna do?
Remove the barrel from the top. Hold the slide back and remove the pin, the special. Move the slide forward, and the pistol is now all disassembled. To install, go backward again. Aye. You got the barrels.
You think?
Yeah, I do.
You guys just fly around either side of the mountain. The Japanese were always so disturbed by seeing Corsair because they case it all the time. So when as a morale builder, everybody would point the rifles up to us. Man, they were short, everybody fires the ball.
Put the barrel in. How'd you shoot?
Me?
Yeah.
Not real good, 789. But for me, that's not too bad.
It's the only hard part. You have to struggle to get the barrel in. But you go in, put the two taper pin in, tap it flat until it's flat, and put the slide lock pin back in, pull the pin out, let the slide forward. Very simple. Let me try and line up this barrel for you. Well, why I pick a gun that's so tight, yeah? Okay, here we go. Pins are marked 1 and 2. 1 is side, 2 is in the middle. Tap it until it's flat. Install the slide lock pin.
Thank you very much for sharing.
Hold the slide with your finger. Remove the L pin. Walk the slide forward, and then you install your screws back on. That's it. Easy. Very easy. Well, I must have leave it off because I guess the guys want to test fire his gun anyway.
Oh, it shoots too easy.
Yeah, well, they didn't come yet, so I don't know. They're supposed to come here already.